Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. Today we're going to trim some roses and I'm going to talk about why it's vital to prune your roses. The best time to prune your roses is late March, early April, but I like to prune mine around Valentine's Day since I'm Zone 8, Charlotte, North Carolina. Since it is early January, I'm going to take this rose bush back by 1/3. So we're going to give it a cut about right here. I like to use my Felco pruners too to prune any of my roses. So if you're worried about the thorns, it's nice to wear gloves. So when you prune, you are helping by cutting away diseased or dead canes. It also helps with air circulation. So when you prune these in early spring, you help reduce the spread of disease, and it puts more energy into creating more beautiful blooms. It's impossible to over prune and kill a rose bush. You never want to cut into your graft, which is this right here.